Hello friends. Now I'm going to paint a lilac, which will be in the wet and wet technique. In the next 2 videos I will show you 2 more techniques for painting lilac. To avoid missing my future videos, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. The main thing to know when marking and sketching lightly in pencil at the beginning is don't push too hard. Now you need to wet the sheet. It is very important that as you wet, not to make it too wet. If it's too wet, it will spread the paint too much and lose the shape that it should look like a flower. Lightly spray the paint, aiming for a lilac shape. Keep spraying with a much darker color paint. Lightly apply the lilac green sprigs. Very lightly and very gently, letting the twig run. Apply the petals, taking a lot more paint on the brush and making fresh green petals. As it is a wet leaf, they will also run a little. Sprinkle with salt and the salt will turn into tiny lilac blossoms this way. You wait for it to dry a little. Keep spraying in darker paint. With a spatula, scrape off tiny sprigs. The characteristic of the wet in wet technique is that you let the water do almost all the work. You apply the paint only lightly, and it starts to run down the sheet. Dry with a hairdryer at the end, but not before you have seen that the salt has taken off the paint and formed tiny flowers. If you dry very quickly, the salt won't be able to do its job. Paint the tiny flowers already with a brush. If you enjoyed this training, subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments what training you want to watch. See you soon.